Hi, good evening. My name is Dinesh Shishkanjavre. Today we will be discuss about JVM architecture in Java. How the JVM architecture in Java works. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Act as a runtime engine to run Java program. JVM is one that actually call the main method present in Java code. Present in Java code. JVM is part of JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. Uh, Java application are called as Aura. Aura means write once, run anywhere. This means the programmer can develop Java code and one system, and it run on any other Java uh, the anyone one system and run on any one other Java enabled system without any adjustment. This all possible because of JVM. Uh, when we compile a Java file, class file with the same class name present in Java file are the generated by Java compiler. This class file goes the various step when we run it. This step of together describe whole JVM. JVM perform some operation, load code, verify the code, execute the code, provide runtime environment. Let's see internal architecture in JVM. Class loader, memory area, execution engine, class loader. Class loader is the class file into JVM. It is mainly responsible for three activities: loading, linking, and initialization. There are built in a three loader. First is bootstrap class loader, which is the super class extension class loader. It is a load rt jar file which contain all class file standard education like java.language, java.util, java.net, java.sql, java.io.package, etc. Extension class loader. This is a child class loader of bootstrap and parent class loader of system of class loader. Second, system class loader, child class loader of execution. It is loader class file for class path or memory area. Memory area is storage of area of class element, structure like field, method data, code of method, etc. Thank you.